Hello everybody, this is Morgan Meggs here at Lexus of Jacksonville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your memory seat, steering wheel, and side view mirrors in your Lexus. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. To begin setting your memory systems, adjust your steering wheel, side view mirrors, and seat to your personal preference. After doing so, to save these settings, press Set and then any corresponding 1, 2, or 3 preset. To recall your seat, steering wheel, and side view mirror settings, you'll press the corresponding preset to do so. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video on how to use your memory seat, steering wheel, and side view mirrors in your Lexus. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry, you weren't supposed to see any of that. You got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know. If you'll excuse me. Yeah.